सेम प्रोडक्ट बाकी जगह पे कितने का है. Second thing, I see that whether that product is original or not. Whether the company that I am buying from is reliable or not. Would you like to buy from any company which has, or e-commerce company which has been launched just 2 or 3 days or 2 or 3 months back? vis-a-vis Amazon, Flipkart, where you trust that आप जो खरीदोगे वो आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं जाएगा. There are a lot of e-commerce companies which are floated very recently, and you cannot afford to put your money or order them, and आपका order भी नहीं आएगा और पैसा भी चला जाएगा. हो सकता है ना ऐसा. So the first thing is that you do a comparison. What is comparison? It is a kind of a research. एक research ही है ना. So whenever you apply for a job, what do you do? The first thing that you do is always research. How do you research? You can go to Google. Probably you can learn about the company. What does that company do? What is the balance sheet of the company? What is the profile of the company? How is the working culture of the company? How many branch offices the company has? And whatever information you want to gather, correct? Second, after that, what else is done? After doing the research of your product, what do? You check the job description. Why job description is important? Because you really don't know whether the job that you're applying for might be 1 or 2 lines on the top says that this is exactly what they want, but if there are 10 other things that they want in a candidate which is not as what you think it is in you, it is a mismatch, correct? Because अगर 12 में से 2 ही चीज मैच कर रही हैं और बाकी 10 मैच नहीं कर रहा, तो अगर आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम वो बेटी 2 ही पॉइंट में मैच कर रहे. This particular profile or this particular candidature is not good for us or is not relevant for us at this time. Maybe in future it is important. So many companies, what would they do when you will be hired or you will be called for an interview? They'll ask you, what do you know about us? This is a very common or a very general question that they will ask you. What do you know about our company? So when you know about a certain organization, you are very confident. You can always tell, okay, never overdo it, but don't underdo it. Overdo means इतना भी मत बताओ उनको कि मुझे तो आपकी बैलेंस शीट लास्ट 10 साल में आपने कितना प्रॉफिट किया वो नहीं पता है. नो, बट वेरी बेसिक्स आपको जो लगता है 3-4 पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है उस कंपनी के बारे में, वो सारा आप नोट डाउन करो, दिमाग में रखो. And if it is relevant, do tell them that yes, I do know about your company, I have researched about your company, you have so, this is what your product line is, आपका ये major achievement है, कोई recently उस company का major achievement है, आपका काफ़ी सारे यहाँ branch offices हैं, इतना पुराना organization है, which is more than enough. So what does the company guy feel is that, oh my God, this guy is a very well researched guy, इसको पता है मैं कहाँ आया हूँ, किस कंपनी में अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ और हमारे बारे में कुछ बेसिक नॉलेज लेकर आए, which is a very positive point in your favor, correct? And